She's running. 309, she's running. Stop!
This is when the officer noticed something strange. In the middle of August in Wisconsin, and it's 90 degrees out. Yet 31-year-old Brett, this strange man that nobody mentioned until just now.
Do you have an ID with you just real quick?
No.
You don't have one?
No.
Brett, stop!
Sheriff 1.
Pull over now! No!
August 8th, 2025. Analasco police respond to a motel trespass that becomes a dual fugitive arrest with 2-foot pursuits. Once dispatch confirms an active warrant, arrest becomes mandatory. The Fourth Amendment permits this. A valid warrant is probable cause.
Hi, it's Analasco police. Can you come talk to me? Come to the door, I'm not going anywhere. Huh? I haven't talked to him because the door was partially open. Knocked on the door. Who is it? Analasco police. Shuts it, deadbolts it. That's it. There isn't a back door, is there? Yeah. We aren't going anywhere.
It's at this point the officer is made aware that the woman has a warrant out for her arrest. Just a few months earlier, she was charged with theft, violating her probation. She actually had multiple cases open against her for theft and bail jumping, so officers knew it was vital they bring her down before she gets another chance to disappear. But it might already be too late for that.
Where is she leaving? She's running. 309, she's running. Stop! Running north behind Analasco Inn. Stop! Get down.
I don't know.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. 309, we got her.
Please stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Please stop for a second.
No. You lost that?
We're 95.
I need to say something real quick.
What do you need to say?
I need to get a hold of someone.
Who?
I need my phone to get a hold of someone, please.
Okay, well, we'll figure that out here in a minute.
No, I need to do it now. My son.
No.
My 5-year-old son, dude.
Is he in the motel room?
He is.
Okay, we'll get that squared away. Why'd you run from him?
Because I can't leave my son right now.
You just left him. You just took off.
I was trying to leave you guys.
You with your son in the motel room, and now you want to go back and say you're trying not to leave him?
He's got someone in there with him.
Who?
A friend of mine.
What's his name?
Yavian.
She seemed panicked and twitchy, and she's not making much sense. But that's something the officers will unpack later when they search her motel room. For now, they're more concerned with the name she just mentioned, Davion, especially given what she's about to say.
That's the friend or that's your son?
That's my friend.
Okay, what's your son's name? Okay to be with?
No, I have to get a hold of someone. That's why I said I have to get. I need my phone.
So we'll figure that out here in a minute.
Who's the friend?
It's just
Why?
Yavian, I said.
Why is he staying with you?
He's not staying with me. He just stopped by.
Why?
Why won't he answer the door?
I don't know why. Can I please have my phone so I can make some phone calls so I can get someone here for my son? Please.
We'll figure it out. It's not gonna be overly nice when you just ran from us.
I only ran from you because this is not a good time for me to leave my son.
I'm a parent. No time's a good time to leave your son. I can tell you running is not the best
I
option.
can't find his dad right now.
Okay.
Can you last time I couldn't find his dad. Can I please just see my son for a second? I'll cooperate.
No.
I have to
Get in
see
the
him,
car.
please. Please let me see him.
Get in the car.
Please let me see him. He's not gonna understand. Please.
You want to see him in handcuffs?
Yes, please. Please let me just see him, please.
Get over here.
Please think about it.
Yeah, let's not.
Can you please let me see him after something?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke, prick, or stab me or hurt me?
I've never.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke, prick, or stab me?
No,
Okay.
no, but I don't want to. I don't want you to make a phone call.
Talk to me right now. I'm
Yeah,
a
okay.
parent. I can relate to you. I have a 5-year-old. So what do you need?
I'd like to hug my son and know that everything's going to be okay. His dad's been missing. Okay, first off, his dad's been missing for 4 days. I was going to make him missing for person support. I'd like to make him missing for person support so that we can find his dad. Because then his dad can take him.
Where is the dad typically
I don't know.
located?
He's here with us all the time. His name's.
Oh, we just made contact with him.
Where is he?
He just walked down the road. So he's fine. He's safe.
Well, he needs to come here. So how do we find him?
You want to call him? His number is still on my computer. So.
The number? Yeah, he needs to be called, yeah.
So when we go and knock on that door, is Davian going to answer the door?
I don't know, honestly, I don't know.
Because when I knocked, whoever was in there deadbolted that door.
Yeah, I don't know. I just know my son's probably in there totally scared.
Okay.
Can we please get a hold of Steven?
Yeah. We will get your son. I will bring him out here and you can see him, okay? Are you sure that is what you want, given that you are handcuffed? We can't take the handcuffs off.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you good here with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Said his name was Davian? Davian? Davian, come to the door. The room registered in your name?
Yes.
You have a key?
No, it's inside.
Okay. Was Davian, was he registered on the room at all as well?
Open the door right now.
Where's her son? Okay, she wants to see her son. Davian, I see you've got a knife in your pocket. Just leave your hands where we can see
No,
him.
it's good. I'm not.
Well, given the situation, I just want to make it clear.
What happened?
So, she took off running.
Come on. Your mom wants to see you.
Hey, bud, your mom wants to come see you, okay?
Can I please hug him? Please take my hands. I promise I will point him. He needs to be comforted, please.
Cannot uncuff you.
Please, can you just put it in the front so I can hug him? Can you put the cuffs in the front? Just so he can hug me back.
Have a seat.
I can't.
You wanted to sit?
Come here. Come here, honey. Come here, sit in my lap. Come here, sit in my lap. Come here, honey. Sit in my lap. Sit in my lap. If I had my hands in the front, I could at least just like rub his back, please.
No, I'm sorry, I cannot do that. You've already taken off. This is...
You guys have no compassion at all.
The room, are you registered to this room?
No.
Okay, so they want her out, which means
Okay, so-
you're not welcome back in that room.
Okay.
So that's why we're out with you right now.
Okay, I need to grab my bag.
Okay, well, we got to go in with you then.
Okay, fine.
Is there anyone else in there? Are there any knives, guns, anything else that we need to be concerned about?
No.
Okay.
Come on, this is my bag, dude.
Okay.
Open the door, Brett.
Who else is inside there?
Did she pay for the room
I
at
don't
all?
know, somebody she knows. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know, dude. Like, I don't know him. Like I said, I know her. I don't know who knows her. I don't know that.
Who else is in the room?
Nothing by yourself.
Who else is in the room?
Javian brought a friend here. His name is
Sounds like his first name was Brett. What's his last name?
I just met him right now.
Are you on this room?
No, I'm just here visiting.
Okay.
Brett?
No.
Brett?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna follow him because he probably has a warrant. You don't have an ID on you at all?
No.
Okay. What were you doing here?
Stop following.
Okay.
Stop following. Stop following.
Who's that?
Brett?
That's him.
He's wearing a black bandana and a face mask.
309, he's on a longboard headed up towards the high school. Brett, stop!
Sheriff one.
Pull over now!
No!
He's saying that he said he's not going back to jail without a fight.
Stop! It's not me! Why are you saying that? Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back now! I will f***ing tase you!
Okay, but why? What did I do? This is a violation.
309, we got him stopped off of Oak Forest Drive,
Isn't it?
right by the trailhead.
You can't sit there and try and hurt someone that's not. You don't know who I am. Can you stop, please? Please, can you stop?
No!
Why?
You just try to fucking punch me in the face.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did! I f***ing saw you!
It's hard to make out from the body cam, but the dash cam footage shows clear as day that as Officer Whitcraft goes to tackle him, Brett takes a huge swing and tries to punch him in the face. Unfortunately for him, he missed. And after a short struggle on the ground, the officers are able to detain him.
Hey man, you know what? I haven't done anything wrong.
Bullshit! Shut up.
Why? Because I went to...
Put your hands behind your back.
Did my van go over the way?
Put your hands behind your back now.
Adam, give me this one.
Why are you guys doing this to me?
Because you ran from us and you tried to assault an officer.
I didn't run. I was going to the way and said stop following me, which you're not supposed to be doing.
Yeah, and I told you to stop multiple times.
Yeah, when you were chasing me for some reason.
I'm pretty sure you know why.
What the f was the point of f***ing trying to punch me?
I didn't try to punch you. It just looked like...
308 I'll be 95.
Hey, listen, man.
No, shut up. I don't want to hear you anymore.
Are you good?
I can't just do something to get rid of this.
Okay, are you good?
What's in the bag? Do you have a firearm on you?
Can I do something to get rid of this or what?
Get rid of what?
What do you mean this?
When she runs, she violates Wisconsin Statute 94641, resisting an officer acting with lawful authority. The male suspect's detention, justified under Terry versus Ohio. Reasonable suspicion from the trespass complaint and his connection to a wanted person. He gives a false name. That's criminal obstruction, giving officers legal grounds to extend the stop. Use of force analysis under Graham versus Connor. 3 factors: crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Both suspects fled. Officers used physical control only, no weapons, no strikes. Force stopped when resistance stopped. That's textbook reasonable force under Supreme Court precedent. The needles found in the room create a constructive possession problem. 3 people, 1 room, whose drugs? Can't prove beyond reasonable doubt. Officers made the right call, no charges. That's smart prosecutorial discretion.
This.
Like, I mean, this whole thing just did not go.
Alright, let's get out of here. Do you have anything on you, weapons?
Why'd you guys come back to the room and mess with me?
Because you weren't supposed to be there.
I was a guest of the fucking hotel.
No, you weren't.
was a
They
guest.
want you gone.
They said I was a guest of this person in the room. Hold me up.
1, 2, 3. What's that, a wallet?
Well, like, I was leaving the hotel already, so why'd you follow me?
Because we're not idiots.
You are. What's my name?
Brett.
Alright, yeah, you guys are idiots, alright.
Okay.
My longboard's right there. You guys know I'm gonna sue the shit out of all you guys for this, right? You can't have someone tell you, no, that's not my name, don't follow me, and then still follow them and chase them down. I'll get out of this, and you know it. I didn't lie about my name. I didn't tell you my name.
It's called reasonable suspicion.
No, it's not. And I've seen a bunch of lawsuits run over it, and I'll take all of you guys.
Alright.
You forget my mom can change laws, right? Forget my mom was literally right in senator.
Because they told us your name was Brett.
Who said that?
Okay. Female that was with you. Brett Warren.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Thanks for coming out. Excitement, I wouldn't think our way. And turned around on me and tried to get me in the face. I'm like, he can't punch me if I get right in his face.
So now what? How long am I in here for?
Catch a break. Let me figure shit out. I don't
it
know.
out then.
That's up to the courts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Officers then proceeded to search his bag and again found nothing illegal. Back at the motel, though, a search revealed things weren't quite so simple.
Oh, God.
I might just put them into a Sharps. That was in the drawer by the nightstand, so. Whose blue bag in the nightstand was that?
What?
Blue bag in the nightstand.
I don't know. You'd have to tell me. I don't even have a blue bag. There's a blue bag.
It was like a little blue black backpack with a couple items inside of it.
I don't know. I didn't have anything in the drawers. So the only thing I had, the only thing that should have been in the drawer was, I think what I had here. I think my hairbrush.
So the needles with the liquid in.
No.
Do you have any prior use history?
No, I don't.
So if I go and look, previous convictions, nothing related?
Never used.
No, I don't use, no.
I mean, if they're not hers, I don't see any evidence of use. If she doesn't have it, I don't think we can charge it because there were 3 people in there. And
It's either all 3 or
yeah, I mean, yeah, we can. I don't even know what it is, so. I don't have any test strips. 1, 2, 3.
You been here before? We get in, I'll have you take a seat to your left.
Tests later revealed
Officers get a B+. Strong tactics, appropriate force, excellent legal judgment on possession. Should have covered both exits before initial contact. But that's a minor tactical issue. Female suspect gets a D. Fled lawful arrest, violated probation, then picked up new charges while on bond. Brett gets an F. 4 warrants, false ID, fled custody, physically resisted. 0 excuse for any of it. Lessons learned. Warrants aren't negotiable. Officers must execute them, period. Running from police turns a simple stop into felony charges and justifies physical force. Lying about your name is obstruction, not a right. And constructive possession needs proof, not assumptions. Finally, Graham Standard judges force from the officer's perspective in that moment, not Monday morning quarterbacking. Officers make split-second calls under pressure. The law accounts for that reality. Outcomes: Brett convicted, 172 days jail. Female's case open with new charges, hearing set for June 2026. Drop your comments below on what case or legal issue you want analyzed next. Thanks for watching. Check out Audit the Court for more content. Understanding the law protects everyone in our communities.